Hi there. Today we're going to look at how you can use landmarks in your place to get people engaged on social media. This is Ealing Broadway, and although this was posted right about the festive season, this is something that any business can do any time of the year. Now, what they did was they posted to try and remind people to come shopping for last minute items. And whilst, yes, it's a really festive photo, the great thing about it is it's about the high street and it shows you the iconic horse or the statue of the horse in the background. Now, anyone from Ealing will likely interact with this post because they've got fond memories of this statue. And I think no matter which city or town you're from, everyone's got something like that, whether it's a park or a monument or fountain, or it might even be the local shopping centre, it might be some gardens or something like that. But everyone's got something in a place that really shows off, I guess, it gives you a little bit of nostalgia and it makes you take a little walk down memory lane. Plus, of course, it directly signposts people back to you. So what this is about is, yes, it's reminding people to shop, but they're doing it in a way that invokes memory and discussion, which is all based around the high street, the statue, and something, as I said, that could be done at any time of year. So make sure that when you are talking about something like this, which is really simple, we're open from 9 till 6 today. And so this was, obviously for very last minute shopping. Make sure that you do think about, what you can do to evoke a little bit of that discussion. So I would have added in here, maybe it could have been something about the actual statue. It might have been, how many Christmases have you walked down this high street? It might be, it could be, what have you been buying today? Just anything like that, just to add in a little bit more discussion.